We'll have times where we wonder, man, am I just not good enough? Maybe I'm not actually a true believer because I just don't see it in my life. Well, let's put that time at ease. Today, we're looking at 1 John to see just a little glimpse of hope in this. I'm Drew Brown, and this is Daily Brew. 1 John 4:7 says this, "Beloved, let us love one another, for love is from God, and whoever loves has been born of God and knows God." How encouraging is that? God is love, and love comes from God. There are times where I wonder, man, I'm just not seeing spiritual gifts in my life. I'm not seeing acceptance. I'm not seeing a lot of things happen that I kind of expect to see happening. Well, God's not a genie, and He's not just tossing out rewards to everyone left and right. Sometimes the reward is getting to help others and to show love and kindness to others, even when they don't quite deserve it. So take a step back, look at your life. And if you see more love pouring off of yourself than hatred, you're heading in the right path. And don't worry, if you're going through a dry spell and you realize, man, I've been angry a lot recently, maybe just take some time on your knees and pray and get back in alignment with God and start focusing in on the fundamentals and start loving each other. I'm Drew Brown, and this has been Daily Brew.